Hello everybody and welcome to the JW Marriott here in San Antonio, Texas. Alright, so we just got back from the pool. We checked in probably a couple of hours ago. Marissa did a little work. And yeah, we went to the pool for a little bit. Tonight we were going to eat at their steakhouse. 18 Oaks, I think is what it's called. Not too sure, but I'll post some clips here of the adult infinity pool area, which is where we went just now. But you can see
this pool goes on forever.
Ooh, it's deep right here. Oh yeah. So do you think that she can come out here to bring me my drinks, or do I have to go over there?
No, I think we're going to have to go back in this side.
Alright, so you saw us come into the pool, and we are in the adults infinity pool.
Yes, yes.
No kids means adult pool.
I will say this pool's not heated.
It's not heated. Marissa did take my hat too, so.
I forgot my sunglasses.
But you can see basically the main hotel behind us. Check out our view. Our view is amazing. So that's where you check in and everything like that. But this over here is their water park area right there. So you got some slides right there. Let me see if I can zoom it in. So got some slides. There's two really big ones right there, and then just right about here, there's two that go each way with inner tubes, and then you got a whole bunch of pools over there. So anyway, so Marissa's getting ready. Right now, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna go eat at our steakhouse tonight. We are here for our anniversary. We did use points, and the cool thing is that we actually got upgraded to a suite. So I'm trying to see. I can't. You guys can't really see. But let me go this way. All right, there we go. So we actually booked a regular standard room. I think the normal rate is like $326 or 60,000 points. I'm a Marriott Platinum Elite member, so I reached out to the Marriott and said, hey, we're coming for our anniversary. We could do with an upgrade if it's possible, and guess what? We got upgraded to a executive suite. I'm gonna post, actually up here in one of the corners, you'll see a link for the room review, the room tour that we did. But yeah, so I checked out the rate for the executive suite. It is $1,100 that we got. So we're here for 2 nights. Tomorrow we're going to go see a basketball game, NCAA tournament. It's the Elite 8 South Division, which we're going to go see down in downtown San Antonio. But yeah, anyway, so we're going to head off to dinner. Marissa's finishing up getting ready. We're going to get some B-roll of the hotel for tonight. And then we'll pick you up tomorrow. We're all day at the pool tomorrow, so we'll show you all the slides and everything. So anyways, I'm hungry. I'm starving. Let's go eat. Alright, so originally I told you outside that we were going to go have dinner, but since it is our anniversary, Marissa is making me open up some champagne. So
Making!
we're going to have a little bubbly before we hit dinner.
We're going to save the big bubbly for tomorrow.
Big bubbly for tomorrow, that's right there. But we're going to get the little one.
Ooh.
And because we are high class, we're doing plastic JW Marriott cups.
Because we don't want to walk around with our...
Don't want to walk around, I want to carry it with me, so. There you are, madam.
Ooh.
Oh, cheers.
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 You want to try to do that?
Oh yeah, let's try to do this.
All right, ready? It's actually really easy with these. With
It is, not with those big,
flutes.
yeah. All right, now we're gonna drink these and then we're gonna go to dinner. so just a heads up. So we are walking. The JW Marriott is that way. If you're going to the 18 Oaks Steakhouse, it's actually in the Golf Country Club. So you can kind of go over that way inside.
Like towards the spot.
Yeah, towards the spot, but you got to go
Right
outside.
there.
So you got to walk outside, go to the clubhouse, and then that's where the steakhouse is. I just got asked to pick my weapon of choice. I'll post a picture here. I got to pick my own steak knife, which is really crazy. Of all the years that I've ever had steak, I've never, ever got to do that. Marissa actually picked out this red one. Nothing special about it. It's just cool and red. So, anyways, yeah, you get a steak here at 18 Oaks. You get to pick out your own steak knife. Alright guys, so we just got back to the room after eating at the steakhouse here. It was absolutely amazing. I got the $72 Wagyu steak, worth every penny of it. Marissa got the lobster, that was really good. Brussels sprouts are amazing. I mean, everything was really good. So anyways, that's it. We're gonna call it a night. It's like 9 o'clock. It's a little after 9.
But so you know what? It's gonna be really nice to go to sleep, and nobody's gonna wake us up.
No kids. Nobody crawling in the bed.
We can sleep, and like nobody's gonna go, Mommy, it's time to get up.
Yeah. So we brought some alcohol. I think we're gonna have a little bit of a nightcap, and we're gonna call it a night. So tomorrow is all-day pool, NCAA tournament tomorrow night, which is going to be awesome. We're going to see my friends Eric from Idaho, I believe. I don't remember. Anyways, we'll catch you guys tomorrow on the next video. Don't even do it. This is PG. This is, no.
Idaho.
No. Bye-bye, you guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.